Hello everyone, welcome to part 168 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we are going to work on some of the security points starting from this video. So making website secure is really important and we need to resolve some bugs that can come in live website of e-commerce. Okay, so we will work on these 2 points, two security points in this video. First one is the prevent disabled products to order, and the another one is prevent out of stock products to order. So I'm going to tell you in detail that what these points mean to us and why and how we can resolve these security issues, security flaws. Okay, so let's see suppose if the user added product in cart, this is the product that the user added in cart, and after that suppose admin disable this particular product from admin panel. Suppose this is the product, okay, that the user added in cart, and after that admin disable its product. Okay, so this error has come. We need to check once that why this error has come. Okay, so I will open this page. This is the products.play.php file, and script we are using front script. We are using update product status. We are going to check once what we are using here, class. See if any error comes, we need to resolve it instantly. Okay, update product status. Oh sorry, it's in admin script. So we are going to check in admin script update product status. Okay, so we can add some ajax header is there that we can add to resolve. Okay, so that thing for resolving this one, see, we will inspect this. Okay, so 419 error is coming, so we can search for this error straight away in Google to resolve this issue. Laravel. Okay, so we can open some of the links, Stack Overflow links, and here yeah, this is this header we can add in Ajax update product status, and here, and you can add it for all. Okay, for all such kind of functions, for all status. And also we can add this one at top of admin layout file, admin which one, admin setting, admin layout, what it is, admin design, I think. We can check from here as well, use layouts, admin layout. Yeah, it's admin layout. Okay, we can add it somewhere. Okay, so we can add it here. Now we can check once again, refresh, check now. Now it is not coming. Okay, so now you can able to disable and enable. Okay, so you can do it for all. Okay, so now you can see that we can able to disable this product from the admin panel, but the user is still having the product in his card, you can see, and this product is actually disabled from the admin panel by the admin. And you can see its id as well. We will browse, and this status must be 0. Okay, this is the first product, see its status is 0. Okay, so now user able to place the order for this product. You can see user able to place the order for this disabled product, so we need to prevent this one. Okay, so this is the first security point that we are going to work on. So let's open product model. See, there may be many issues come in the way that you have left earlier. So it's always the good idea to resolve such issues. Okay, like I have shown this one admin script. Okay, in admin script we have faced this issue. Okay, and we have added, I have searched on Stack Overflow, and straight away I have resolved this issue, and you can do this in the same way. See this one, this one required for all. Wherever you are updating the status, you can simply need to add this one. Okay, so that no error will come. Wherever you are updating the status of some category of some banner in Ajax, simply add this one, then no issue will come. Okay, so now I save. I have updated all the functions. Okay, so now come back to product model. Now here we want to add one function to check the status of the product. Okay, so we will create one function here, public static function, and function name we are going to make get product status, like this. Okay, in this one we are going to pass the product ID, and with this product ID we are going to check the that product status is 1 or 0. If the status is 1, then it means the product is enabled, a product is active, and if the status is 0, then it means the product is disabled, inactive. Okay, so we are going to check your ID, product ID. Okay, so in this one we are going to return the status. So here, see, I am just using the JSON object, so you can use the array as well if you want. Okay, if you want to use array, we can simply use the array as well, to array like this. Okay, and here we will send this status as an array. Okay, so now this status we are going to use, but one more function we are going to add, that is to delete the product. If in case the product is not enabled, product is not active, then we can also that delete that product from the user card, so that the user not able to purchase that product. Okay, so that we will create one more function here, and that will be public static function, and delete card product. This we can make another one, product ID once again, and here we can simply delete the product like card, from card. Okay, from the cards table. Card is the model for comparing with the product ID. Product ID is the column in cards table, and we are going to compare with the product ID that we are sending, and we are going to delete this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so after this one we are going to update checkout function. Now in ProductsController at front end, we are going to update checkout function, and here we are going to modify we are going to modify here in post. Okay, because once the user click on place order, then we are going to check that whether the product is enabled or disabled. Okay, so if disabled, then we are going to redirect the user to cart page with the error message. So here we are going to add website security. Okay, so website security checks, security checks. Okay, So here first check is to check for the product is enabled or disabled, but before that we are going to fetch the user card, fetch user card, so that user card item, so that we can able to know that which items are there in user okay, so in user card. Okay, we are going to take this uh, user card items. We are already having this one, you can see user card items. Okay, so the same we can pick here as well, user card items. We can just pick the same one, user card items. So here we can have dollar key as well, dollar key card, like this. And inside this we are going to check for the prevent disabled products to order. Okay, so first thing is to check the product status. We will call that function that we have just created in product model. P is in caps, like this. Now we will call that function get product status. Okay, that we have just created in product model, and we are going to pass the product id here. So product id is coming in dollar card, then product id like this. Okay, so we are going to check for the status. So first of all, we want to debug that what is coming in status. Here I will do echo and die, and I also want to see that what it is coming in user card item. So for that, first of all, I can do this debugging. So without debugging, see, we never know what is coming, so debugging is really important. Okay, so we are going to check it like this. So once I will try to place the order, then I will come to know that, see, the product has been, we need to enable this product, otherwise it will be not shown in listing page. Okay, so now we are going to add the medium size, add to cart, and next I will add this address, cod, place order. So see, here it is coming like this. So you can see, check out the data that is coming, and here you will come to know one item is coming here. Okay, so this is the item details. We can add more items so that we will come to know the complete array. Okay, sorry, I will going to add this one. See, we will keep this one in stock, one product is out of stock and one product is in stock. Okay, so user can just place the order for one, and for one user can't place the order. See, now the two items, one item is this one and one item is this one. We are going to check both the items in for each loop. Okay, with the product id. So its product id is 2, its product id is 1. So same thing we are doing here. We are having the product id, we are checking with the product id. So I am going to disable this one. Now we have that array, so we are checking in product id. Now see, now the product status will come according to this product id. Okay, so like it will pick up this first one product. Okay, so it is going to check this first one. So let's see what status will come for the first one. See, first one status, no, it is not showing because it is taking in array. So we are going to take array like this. Now we are going to check the status. See, the status is 1. Okay, so now you can able to know that the status of first item is 1, but the status of second item is 0. If you want to see the status of both the items, then put die outside the loop. Okay, now you will have the status of both the item. First 1 will come, then 0 will come, and it will show you as 10. You can see this. See, sorry, 11, both the status is enabled right now because we have already enabled it. So I am going to make it disabled now. See, now the status is disabled, product has been disabled. Now it must come 0, 1 will be 0 here, and we are going to see which product. Second product is the 0 because second item is this one, okay, this blue item, so that status is 0. You can see this one. Okay, so every time when 0 will come, we will redirect the user back to the card page with the error message, and we will tell the user that this particular product is out of stock and you can remove this product, or we can simply remove that product from the card. Okay, so let's come to this one. Now we are going to check the status. We are having it. Okay, so here if the status is 0, if dollar product status is equal to 0, after that we are going to call that delete function that we have just created, delete card item, delete card product, in fact. Okay, delete card product. I am going to copy that function, so it is better idea to copy that function, delete card product, with this product id. Okay, so we can call this function, and after deleting the product, we will send the message to the user one of the product is deleted, product is out of stock, or we can add message we can give the name of the product, particular product, that which product is we have deleted. Okay, so for that we are going to pick the product name. We can tell the user this product is not available. Okay, so removed from cart. Now after this one, we are going to return the user. We are going to flash the message session flash error message, and this is the message that we are going to show, and we are going to return back the user to the card page. So let's try. I'm going back. First of all, refresh. See, 2 items are there, 1 item is out of stock, this blue one is out of stock. So let's see, COD, place order, and you can see one product is not available, so remove from cart. Okay, so but see, the product has also been removed, but the message is not that much, right? Okay, so I'm going to give here product code. Okay, we can give like this. Okay, so let's see. So once again, I am going to add this product. You need to do it several times. You have to test it so that you can modify it. Okay, so you need to be really work hard. So next, and now we are going to test once again, place order, and this time we are going to see that what error message will come. Oh, sorry, I have not disabled the product. Okay, so that's why it orders for both. So once again, so it happens. Okay, so now I have added, I will disable. Now I'm going to continue. See, the product has been disabled. Only one product I have added this time, and place order. This time some other error come because the product code is not there in card. Okay, so so we can either fetch it, or we need to check once again that what we have in card, that we are fetching details of the item. If we are fetching details of the item, then we can pick that one. Okay, it removes that product. Now we need to once again make it enable. So we want to check whether the product details are coming, so that we can show the user exactly which product has been deleted, so that the user will have the better idea. Okay, So we are going to check once again. Here, see, we have the product name in product. Okay, so we can make it, we are having the product name, product code as well, but it's all in product. Okay, you can see it's all in product element. Okay, so we can pick this one here, we can make it like this. Okay, so it will show bt01 product, okay, is not available, so remove from cart. You can also give the product name as well. Blue casual t-shirt, it looks better. Blue casual t-shirt is not available. Product also you can remove. Blue casual t-shirt is not available, so remove from cart. This one is also fine. So it's your choice that which thing you want to give. Okay, so now once again we are going to try. So we can keep it like this. Okay, so that if any error comes, remove these. So if any error comes, then we can able to check for the error from there. We can able to check the array. Okay, so you can do like this. So now we need to make sure that the product is in stock. Okay, that is fine. Casual t-shirt, so I'm going to pick this one, medium one, and one more. Sorry, product already existing card, fine. Now I'm going to pick this one, small one, add to cart. Two items are there. Okay, fine. Now next, now I am going to, don't forget to disable the product from the enemy panel. And now we will continue, and let's see COD. Now click on place order. See the error message, blue casual t-shirt is not available, so remove from cart. Now it is looking fine, and the product has been removed, and we have make it secure. Now the user will not able to order for the disabled product. See, if user order for the disabled product, then it's the problem for the user as well as the admin. User uh, payment, admin need to return, and it's the frustration both for the user and the admin, so it's not good for the brand. Okay, so make sure that you will do these security points in your e-commerce website, that must be there. Okay, so now see, it's not necessary to delete the product from the user cart. It's your choice. If you don't want to delete the product, then you can simply don't delete it, just convey the message to the user that product is not available, so please remove from cart. So this is also the another way, so please remove from cart. Okay, you can also give the message like this without deleting the product. In this way the product will be there, but the user will delete the product of his own. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one. I will now disable. Now see, so there are many alternatives to do the same thing. What is there? Product status equal to 0. This time what, some strange error is coming. Product status, undefined status. Oh, sorry, we have so this one I have done wrong. This one will be there. I want to disable this one, so I have disabled the wrong thing there. Okay, so now it is fine. Okay, now see this one I need to disable, delete card product. I am not going to delete the product this time. I have by mistake disabled the first one, so don't do the silly mistake at your end. Okay, so let's refresh. Now it will go to back to cart. See, blue casual t-shirt is not available, so please remove from cart. So now it is just telling you that to remove blue casual t-shirt, it is not deleting the product automatically. So now if you will continue, then it will show you this message again and again. Okay, see, okay, fine. So now we are going to do another security point, and that is we are going to work on prevent out of stock products to order. Okay, so now we are going to prevent the out of stock products. Suppose the admin updates, see, status is enabled, but in case the product is out of stock, see, Now I'm going to open its stock. See, the medium stock that we are ordering is come to 0. Okay, see here, it's come to 0. I'm going to update to 0, or one more thing, or its status is inactive. First, let's see, it is 0. I'm going to update its attributes. Okay, you can see I have updated it. Even then you able to place the order. Okay, so now the status is enabled this time, but it is not in stock. Blue casual t-shirt is not in stock. Now the user may able to purchase these products. Let's see. See, user able to place the order for the out of stock product. See, its stock is 0. Even then user able to purchase this product. So this is the wrong thing. This is the security flaw, and we need to uh, do action to remove this error. So here we will add the another function, that is the get product stock function, so that we can check the stock of every item that the user is going to add. Okay, so another function, function public static function, and we are going to make it like get product stock. So here we are going to pass product id as well as the product size, this time product size as well. Okay, along with the product id we need to send the product size as well, so that we can have the stock of the product. So if the stock is 0, then we can return back the user to the cart page with the error message. So we can check the stock in products attribute table. We can just select the stock. Okay, so we are going to compare with two things this time. One is the product id, like we do earlier as well, but this time also with the size. Okay, so size we are going to compare with the size as well. Product size we will also get the product size. Okay, product size we will send this product size from that add to cart function, that checkout function. Okay, uh, so we are going to take once again first, then to array. So first of all we are going to check this get product stock. Let's check how much stock it shows, and we are going to call this function here. So here we are going to add prevent sold out products to order, prevent or prevent out of stock products to order. So here we are going to check for the product stock, product, and we are going to call that function get product stock. And in this one we are going to pass two things this time. One is the product id, and another one is the size, and size we can get from here. This is the size. Okay, card size. So first of all we are going to check product stock here, then we are going to return stock of the first element. We are going to check, we are going to add one product here, medium size one, add to cart, and here you can stock is still 0. C required quantity is not available. We have already added the check in detail page. Okay, so we will update this one. So now move further, we need to make its stock now to 0 again. Move further, now there is no checks. Now we will update back the stock to 0. Now we will select the address COD. Now here it will show the stock array to string conversion. We are going to check. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the array, so you can't do like this. We will check it. See, it will we will going to do like this, echo dollar get product stock, and here in it is array, so it will come like this. Okay, right, now it is fine. Now we are going to check the stock. Okay, so let's refresh it and see the stock is 0. Okay, so we are going to return this one. It is correctly returning the stock here 0. And now on the basis of this stock we are going to see if the stock is 0, then we will tell the user that the product is not available, in the same way like we have done earlier. So here as well, see, earlier it is the product status, now it is the product stock. Okay, so if the product stock is 0, then we will tell the user the product is not available, so please remove from cart. Either you can delete the product from the cart as well, and you can tell the user that the product has been deleted, so it's your choice. So I am going to show it like this: product is not available, so please remove from cart. So let's see, I'm going to refresh here, send, and now you can see the blue casual t-shirt is not available, so please move from cart. So the correct message is coming. So one product more product I'm going to add now. Okay, so let's see, small, add to cart. Now two products are there, so still its quantity, you can see it's 0 here, and the error message will come COD, and blue color t-shirt is not in stock, and it is showing the correct message. So one more thing we are going to add there, like if in case it is in stock but it is disabled, but it is not active, like this, inactive. Okay, so in case of inactive as well, we are going to return back the user. So we are going to add this one here. One more condition we can add here, uh, that its attribute must be 1. Okay, so we are going to check the status as well, and status must be 1. So one more check we are going to add here, where, or we can simply add inside this one only, here status must be 1. Okay, so now it will check for both stock as well as status. So let's see, suppose now we have make it the status inactive. Okay, so now the again the same error message must come. See, the stock is there but it is inactive, this particular attribute, the admin make it inactive, so the similar message must come to the user. So let's see, no, some other error has come. Now we are going to check, select stock, we are this one, product site, and status must be 1. We are going to check why this error message is coming. We want to check both status as well as stock. Okay, so it is showing. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can replace to array with count, because we are just required the count of the product. So we can replace this one with count. Okay, so let's replace this one with count. No, we can add one more condition here. So leave it from there. Okay, we will not check the status. Okay, so leave it. See, for status, for the product attribute status, as well as see, they admin can even delete the attribute at all. So for both we are going to add the separate function. Okay, so this one we are going to do in third security point, prevent disable deleted product attributes to order. So separate function we are going to add for both. Okay, so leave it for the time being. Okay, so we can keep it the same function, and suppose in case here just it will work for this one. Okay, if the stock is 0, then it will surely show you the error message. Okay, so rest thing we are going to do in next video with the new function. Okay, so let's not hurry the things. Okay, so here this one is working fine, and if I will make it in stock, then it will, then we are going to able to purchase this one. Okay, both the items. So now both the items are in stock. Now we can able to place the order. Okay, so regarding attribute status, or if the attributes has been deleted, see we can able to place the order. So we able to finish these two security points. One is prevent disabled products to order, and another one is prevent out of stock products to order. Okay, so in next video we are going to prevent disabled deleted products like I'm trying right now. So but we are going to make the separate function. Okay, so common function for both, for disabled and deleted products attributes to order, and finally we will also prevent disabled category products to order. So that thing we are going to do in next video, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.